Think about your typical morning routine. Wake up, brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, put on makeup, maybe grab breakfast, and then off to school or work. When you were doing any of these activities, probably the last thing on your mind was whether the products you were using contained carcinogens. A carcinogen is any substance that has the potential to cause cancer in living tissues. Carcinogen exposure can occur from the inhalation, ingestion, or absorption of many different types of substances into our bodies. Carcinogens act on our DNA, causing dangerous changes at the cellular level. These include a change in the rate of cell division, which increases the probability of abnormal DNA synthesis. This can lead to cancer, a group of diseases involving abnormal cell growth with the potential to metastasize or spread to other parts of the body. There are many examples of carcinogens in our environment. Most people are aware of the common carcinogens. These include tobacco and tobacco smoke, pesticides used to control bugs, asbestos, radon, and arsenic. What we aren't aware of is how many carcinogens are present in our everyday products, foods, and the environment. Some of these substances are naturally occurring, like asbestos, which is only harmful when it is breathed in large amounts. Others are made in laboratories and are found in things ranging from personal care to lawn care products. Many types of toothpaste contain saccharin and phenol fluoride. Soaps and shampoos contain formaldehyde, quaterium, and dyes. Some makeup contains BHA, talc, titanium dioxide, and triethanolamine. All of these big, hard-to-pronounce words are carcinogens. Products with PEG or ending in ETH in their name are carcinogens. They are in items such as conditioner, body wash, perfume, deodorant, lotions, cleaning products, and again, toothpaste and shampoo. These substances are often added to increase the shelf life of a product or to add fragrance and color, and should be avoided. There are many other chemicals that are carcinogenic, such as those used on lawns and in gardens. Reduce the use of these, or at least wear protective gear when handling any chemicals. Ultraviolet rays from the sun can also produce changes to our skin, resulting in various types of cancer of the skin. Wearing sunscreen along with protective clothing will help to reduce this exposure by blocking these rays. Carcinogens are also present in the food we eat. Foods that are overcooked or charred, especially meats, are carcinogenic. Refined and processed foods are known to have preservatives and additives that are carcinogenic. Consuming organic meats, fruits, and vegetables raised or grown using natural feed and fertilizers instead of chemicals or hormones is a great way to avoid carcinogens in your food. Eating a diet that is high in fat and calories can be considered a carcinogenic lifestyle because it can lead to obesity, which is associated with several different cancers, such as cancer of the esophagus, pancreas, colon, and rectum, breast, endometrium, kidney, thyroid, and gallbladder. Cutting down on fatty foods and meats will decrease the risk of obesity that can lead to cancer. High intake of alcohol is associated with cirrhosis of the liver and liver cancer. Medical treatments like chemotherapy and radiation, while they are administered to treat cancer, are also carcinogenic. It's important to know that no level of carcinogen exposure is considered safe. This is because while some carcinogens cause cancerous changes after high-level, prolonged exposure, other carcinogens can cause cellular damage after lower levels and shorter periods of exposure. A carcinogen is a substance that is capable of causing cancer. Carcinogens do this by increasing the rate of cellular division, which increases the probability of abnormal DNA synthesis. There are many known carcinogens. Some of these include tobacco, pesticides, and asbestos. Carcinogens enter our bodies by inhalation, ingestion, or absorption. It's important to know how exposure occurs so you can avoid or reduce your exposure to carcinogens. These ways include avoiding tobacco and tobacco smoke, using sunscreen, eating and using products free from carcinogens, and educating yourself about known carcinogens.